And so the pig and the giant lizard brought the boy back to his family at the bowling alley. And they all lived happily ever after. The end.
That was a neat story, Grandpa George. Can you tell me another one?
Oh, I'd love to, Annie, but if you don't get some sleep, you're gonna be pooped tomorrow. And you know what tomorrow is?
Christmas?
That's right. So let's just close our little eyes.
Oh, please, Grandpa, just one more story.
Oh, your mom's gonna be...
Oh, she won't mind. Just one more story. A Christmas story.
Oh, all right. I suppose one more story won't hurt. Besides, what are grandpas for anyways?
Oh, thank you, Grandpa George.
Now, let's see. A Christmas story. Oh, did I ever tell you about the town that didn't get Christmas?
You mean they didn't have Christmas?
No, I mean they didn't get Christmas. They had Christmas. They loved the packages and the toys and everything, but they didn't understand what Christmas was really about. Now, let's see. What was the name of that? Dinkletown, that's it. I used to deliver the mail there. Now, the children of Dinkletown loved to see me around Christmas time because they all thought they was getting something.
I can't believe it's Christmas. I think I'm finally getting something. Can't believe it's Christmas. My favorite time of year.
I can't believe it's Christmas. Been dreaming of a sugar plum thing. Can't believe it's Christmas. Oh boy, it's finally here.
Whoa! Now, wait a minute. I've only got one package today, and it's for house number 4. Now, let's see, which one's house number 4?
Ho, ho, away we go with rosy cheeks and hearts a-glowing. Hey, hey, our favorite day, it makes us wanna cheer.
Yo ho, we love the snow.
Hey, we yeah, hey, we're glad to say that Christmas time is
Uh-oh.
We
Can't believe it's Christmas. Been waiting for a million hours. Can't believe it's Christmas. Oh, what an